Welcome to True Crime Nostalgia,
Yeah.
your go-to source for captivating crime stories.
Yeah.
Today, we're diving into a case that's sending shockwaves
Big time.
through the music world. The arrest of rapper Lil Durk on a federal murder-for-hire charge
Oh, wow.
in Florida.
Out in Florida.
Yeah, it's a story that has everyone talking.
For sure.
How can a Grammy-winning artist
Right.
known for his chart-topping collaborations be facing such a serious accusation?
I know.
It's really...
It's wild.
Yeah.
What's immediately striking is the sheer dissonance,
Yeah.
We're talking about Lil Durk.
Yeah.
Someone who just last year achieved the pinnacle of musical success with a Grammy for Laugh Now Cry Later with Drake.
Huge hit.
Now he's in a Broward County jail cell.
Howard County.
Accused of orchestrating a hit.
Wow.
It really makes you question the narratives we build around these public figures.
You're right. It's a jarring contrast. It's almost like two separate worlds colliding.
Yeah.
On one hand, you have the glitz and glamour of the music industry.
Oh, yeah.
The awards, the fame.
Right.
And on the other, the stark reality of a serious criminal charge.
Yeah.
For those who might not be as familiar with Lil Durk's music,
Sure.
can you give us some background on his career
Yeah.
and rise to fame?
Absolutely. Lil Durk, whose real name is Dirk Banks,
Okay.
is a 32-year-old rapper from Chicago.
Okay.
He's known for his melodic rap style and has collaborated with some of the biggest names in the industry,
For sure.
like Drake and J. Cole.
Yeah, huge names.
That Grammy win last year really cemented his place in the music world.
Definitely.
But there's another layer to this story.
Okay.
His connection to the Chicago-based crew, Only the Family or OTF.
Right. And that connection seems to be at the heart of this whole situation.
Yeah.
We know that 5 members of OTF
Correct.
were recently indicted as co-conspirators
Oh, wow.
in a separate murder-for-hire plot in Los Angeles.
In L.A.
That alone is a huge story. But then you layer on Durk's arrest in Florida on a similar charge.
Oh, yeah.
It starts to feel like there's a much bigger picture here.
Exactly. Authorities haven't explicitly linked the two cases,
Okay.
but the timing and the nature of the charges are difficult to ignore.
Right.
You have to wonder, are these isolated incidents?
Yeah.
Or is there a more sinister pattern at play?
It makes you wonder.
This could be a case of guilt by association,
Yeah.
but it could also point to something much deeper and more organized.
And that's what makes this so captivating.
Right.
We're trying to piece together a puzzle with missing pieces.
Totally.
We don't know the specifics of the Florida case,
Right.
what led to Durk's arrest there,
Yeah.
or what evidence they have against him. Then you have the LA case with these 5 OTF members,
Right.
and the question of Durk's involvement in that.
It's important to remember, though, that at this point, these are just allegations.
Right, of course.
Durk is presumed innocent until proven guilty. But the fact that authorities felt they had enough evidence to arrest him on such a serious charge is certainly cause for concern.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And the stakes are incredibly high. Murder for hire is not some slap on the wrist offense.
No way.
If convicted, he could be facing decades in prison.
Wow.
This isn't just about his career, it's about his life.
And what about the potential impact on his career, even if he's found innocent?
Right.
Can he recover from this?
That's a good question.
Will his fans stand by him?
Yeah.
Will his collaborators continue to work with him?
It's hard to say.
Or will this forever tarnish his legacy?
These are questions that are probably swirling in the minds of everyone involved.
Yeah.
From his record label to his collaborators to his millions of fans. Everyone is trying to grapple with this news and figure out what it means.
And let's not forget the victims in all of this.
So it's a good point.
These alleged crimes have real-world consequences,
Yeah.
and there are families who are hurt. We can't let the spectacle of celebrity overshadow the very real human toll that these actions have taken.
That's a powerful reminder. It's easy to get caught up in the intrigue and the drama.
Right.
But at the end of the day, this is about people's lives.
For sure.
And we need to approach it with sensitivity and respect for everyone involved.
You're absolutely right. So as we delve deeper into this case,
All right.
I think the key question we need to ask ourselves is, what does this tell us about the intersection of fame, power, and accountability?
That's a great question, and one that we'll continue to explore as this story unfolds. Stay tuned for more as we continue to unpack this captivating and complex case.
Definitely.
It'll be interesting.
For sure. This situation with Lil Durk brings to mind other high-profile musicians who face serious legal trouble. Think about R. Kelly,
Oh, yeah.
Phil Spector, even Snoop Dogg back in the day.
Oh, yeah, back in the day.
It seems like there's this recurring pattern of talent and success
Yeah.
colliding with alleged criminal behavior.
It's true. We've seen this play out time and again in the music industry.
Yeah.
And it always sparks this debate about whether celebrities are treated differently
Right.
by the legal system,
Mm-hmm.
whether they get a pass because of their fame and fortune.
That's a valid question, and there's no easy answer.
Right.
On one hand, you could argue that their wealth gives them access to better lawyers
Oh, for sure.
and resources,
Yeah.
which could potentially sway things in their favor.
Yeah.
But on the other hand, their fame also puts them under a microscope.
Oh, yeah.
Every move scrutinized, every misstep amplified.
And social media just adds fuel to the fire.
Oh, totally.
News spreads instantly,
Right.
opinions are formed quickly,
Yeah.
and it's hard to escape the court of public opinion, even before any legal proceedings have begun.
Absolutely. The speed at which information travels these days can be both a blessing and a curse.
I agree.
It can shine a light on injustice, but it can also lead to hasty judgments and misinformation. In Durk's case, we're seeing that play out in real time.
Yeah, definitely.
The allegations alone have already tarnished his reputation, regardless of the outcome of the legal process.
This has to be putting immense pressure on his record label and his management team.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
They've invested heavily in his career, and now they're facing a potential PR nightmare. How do you even begin to navigate a situation like this?
It's a delicate balancing act.
I bet.
They have to protect their investment,
Yeah.
but they also have to be mindful of public perception and the potential damage to their own brand.
Right.
Do they distance themselves from Durk?
Yeah.
Do they stand by him?
It's a tough call.
There's no easy answer, and every decision carries significant risk.
And what about his collaborators? Those big names like Drake and J. Cole.
Yeah.
Are they going to want to be associated with him now? Will they face pressure to cut ties?
It'll be interesting to see how they respond. It's not just about their individual reputations, it's about their music.
Right. Will radio stations stop playing their collaborations with Durk? Will streaming services remove his music from playlists?
Good point.
There's a real possibility that this could have a ripple effect throughout the entire industry.
And then there's the Grammy question.
Oh, yeah.
He won this prestigious award just last year.
He did.
Does this tarnish that achievement? Will the Recording Academy take any action?
It raises all sorts of questions about how we grapple with these situations when someone we celebrate is accused of wrongdoing.
We've seen instances in the past where awards have been rescinded or individuals have been removed from halls of fame due to scandals or criminal convictions.
Right.
Will the Grammys follow suit?
It's a complex issue with no clear precedent.
It's a lot to consider, and it really underscores the far-reaching consequences of these allegations.
It does.
Yeah.
But beyond the legal and professional ramifications,
Yeah.
there's a human element here that we can't ignore.
Right.
Lil Durk, regardless of his guilt or innocence.
Yeah. Is a person facing a life-altering situation, and his family, friends, and fans are all grappling with this news in their own way.
That's such an important point.
Yeah.
It's easy to get caught up in the speculation and the drama.
Totally.
But we have to remember that there are real people at the center of this storm.
Absolutely. And as this case unfolds, we need to approach it with a sense of empathy and understanding. We need to wait for the facts to emerge and avoid rushing to judgment.
It's definitely a case that challenges our perceptions. We have this image of Lil Durk as a successful artist, a Grammy winner.
Right.
But now we're forced to confront this other side, this darker possibility.
And that dissonance is precisely what makes this case so compelling. It forces us to grapple with the complexities of human nature, the potential for darkness to exist even alongside great talent and achievement.
It also raises questions about the stories we tell ourselves, the narratives we create around these public figures. We see their success, their artistry, but how often do we stop to consider the full picture?
Yeah.
The complexities that lie beneath the surface.
We tend to compartmentalize to separate the art from the artist.
Right.
We enjoy the music, the entertainment, without necessarily wanting to confront the messy realities of their lives.
Yeah.
But cases like this force us to acknowledge that separation isn't always possible.
It's a reminder that these artists, these celebrities, are human beings.
Yeah.
Flawed and complex, just like the rest of us.
For sure.
They're capable of great things,
Uh-huh.
but also of making terrible mistakes.
And it's crucial to remember that regardless of what happens with these legal charges,
Right.
there are real victims involved.
Yeah, for sure.
Lives have been impacted, families are hurting.
Of course.
That's something we can't afford to lose sight of amidst all the speculation and media frenzy.
Absolutely. At the end of the day, this isn't just a celebrity scandal.
Right.
It's a real-life tragedy
Yeah.
with lasting consequences.
So as we wrap up this deep dive, I think the key takeaway is the importance of critical thinking,
Yeah.
of looking beyond the surface and engaging with these stories in a nuanced and informed way.
To not just accept the headlines or the social media buzz, but to dig deeper.
Yeah.
To consider multiple perspectives and to form our own opinions based on a balanced understanding of the facts.
Exactly. And to approach these situations with a sense of empathy,
Right.
recognizing the human element at the heart of it all.
Well said. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. It's been a fascinating look at a really complex case.
It has.
And thanks to all of you for tuning in to the True Crime Nostalgia, your go-to source for captivating crime stories.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into ongoing investigations and unresolved cases. Stay safe, and we'll catch you next time.